Stop wasting your money on expensive AI subscriptions. Google has quietly become one of the leading players in AI, baking professional-grade tools into every corner of the ecosystem, often in place a lot of people haven't even noticed yet. We are talking about a professional-grade AI arsenal for business, productivity, and content creation that is powerful enough to actually outperforming paid alternatives. So in this video, we'll quickly overview the tools Google propose and main use cases. Hit the like, subscribe to the channel, let's start. The first tool is Google AI Studio. Make it really easy to build complex apps with advanced functionality. To access the feature, you just go to the left sidebar and click the Build button. That opens up windows asking you to describe your idea. You don't write code, you just describe the goal and it builds the application for you. Below the prompt input, we have all utilities to supercharge your application with. So I use I'm feeling like a button that generates an application idea with prompt and chosen tools. In my case, it's an application for tone-specific platform-optimized posts and custom images for LinkedIn, X, and Instagram simultaneously. After a few minutes, it generates the result. I already asked Studio to use free tier model for this application and color of text in input to make it visible on dark background. So any idea with redesign app, extend functionality, or bug fixing. You can describe it in chat, even with screenshots, to build the result you would like to see. So after defining prompt and configuration, app starts to generate me the post for each socials, and I got a post with specific lengths, tone of voice, and text for each platform with images you can at once post to your socials. The next feature is multi-speaker audio generation, which is completely free. This creates high-quality voice audio with few speakers, like a podcast, with natural scripted conversations. The closest analogy, like 11 Labs, charge you $20–40 per month with the same quality. In the left sidebar, click Home and then select this option to open the speech interface. You'll see two choices. You can either generate standard single-speaker audio or select a multi-speaker option to create dynamic back-and-forth conversation between different voices. I'll click multi-speaker to demonstrate this using the default dialog. But any dialog formatted text works here. Simply label your speakers followed by a colon in the script and ensure those labels match your voice configuration. Also, choose the voice for each speakers in settings and define tone of voice, how the speech should. Then I'll hit run and AI Studio will take about 20 to 30 seconds to generate the audio. And just like that, it is ready. Let's take a listen.
Hello! We're excited to show you our native speech capabilities,
where you can direct a voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Edit these placeholders to get started.
Also, you can use Google AI service like your personal real-time assistant. It lets you talk to Gemini through your microphone while sharing your screen, and it can follow along visual and give you tips and answer questions. So it can do things like help you learn a new software in real time. Walking you through. On the main page, click Playground, then choose Real Time. In this configuration, you should select Gemini Native Audio Preview Model and allow Studio see your screen and hear your voice. You can use it on laptop or mobile via browser. One of the newest additions in experimental AI marketing tool called Pomelli. It can generate a fully editable social media campaign using nothing but website URL. If any of introduced services does not work in your region, just use VPN with USA region, it should help. I'm gonna use Sierra website, but instead of homepage, I'll head over to product page. So paste that link and hit submit. Right now, it's generating business DNA. Everything from the style guide and fonts to the color palette and media assets. I'll go ahead and approve that. And now it suggests campaign idea, or you can prompt for specifics. This is pretty interesting and obviously worth to try. It's basically a full marketing team brainstorm session, but delivered in minutes. One more I'll showcase quickly is Opal, no-code builder. Make your own AI mini apps in 30 seconds, just by describing them. This is Google's free and user-friendly alternative to complex automation tools like N8N. Unlike other platforms that have a steep learning curve, or high costs, Opal lets you build workflow using simple English descriptions. It automatically generates a visual node-based system, linking triggers to outputs, giving you a clear view of your entire data flow. Move to the main page, then choose Create New Options and paste your prompt. In my case, it's pre-sale company researcher, which analyzes company by LinkedIn profile and the data about it from the network. Then define key points for sales to enhance discussion position. The flow generated automatically, so we have blocks responsible for triggering workflow by LinkedIn URL. AI models for research data about company and prepare a pre-sale report, and final block to build interface with generated data. Move to the preview mode and paste the LinkedIn URL. After a few seconds, you got company research data with key discussion, points for sales you can download in file format. So I'm going to come over here and show you this new canvas feature. Then I paste prompt right here with clear instructions that I want to presentation by these topics and criteria about integration AI in small businesses. Then choose Canva mode and thinking model. Wait a few seconds before the presentation will be generated. And the results looks nice. For more design enhancing, you can use Gamma, about which we talked in this video. Or you can use Canva mode to build handsome infographics based on your researchment. So I paste prompt about global AI adoption and trends for last 6 years, and after researchment it generates simple text report, but in create menu you can choose whatever you want to convert generate data. Website with audio overview, but we choose infographics. After a few seconds it built insane page with charts and graphs. The same algorithm works for document data visualization too. Check out Deep Research. It's way more than a Google search. Gemini actually crawls the current web to bring you back a full report. That's similar to Deep Research from OpenAI about what I tell in this video, but free and unlimited on fast model. I just asked for analysis of the European AI market using 2025's latest data, and it prepared a comprehensive researchment report with link to the sources, which I also can convert to the podcast, webpage, or infographic. And 2 new options appear in Canva mode with menu by content and export the result into document format. Then try to convert it to infographic, and the result looks awesome. To show you how your content generation could be simplified with Nano Banana and Veo model, I move to the flow surveys to use both of them. I create new project and select image generation. Choose aspect ratio for shorts format and paste prompt to generate coffee product to build some promo. It looks like good, then choose image like a first frame for the video and select frame to video option and paste the prompt to describe the content scenario. Let's listen what it creates. I can admit nice background sound and video concept keep the prompt instructions. So you can experiment with prompt or use generated result for your socials. If you are overwhelmed by research, you need to check NotebookLM service. It allows you to centralize up to 50 different sources within one environment on free tier plan. Multimodal stuff like PDFs with images, websites, and even YouTube videos into one workspace. Within 25 million word capacity, it manages way more context than your average AI. It actually makes research through your sources to define relevant text data with links to them. The real magic is in the accuracy, because it only answers based on the context of your files and provides citations for every claim. This grounding made the info much more reliable and less hallucinated. From there, the output options are endless. You can generate mind maps, flashcards, infographics, slides, or use the audio overview to hear your research turned into a professional podcast.
Okay, let's unpack this. I feel like we need to start with a confession. If you are still thinking of Google NotebookLM, you are living...
Hey there.
Sure, let's tell me about the most powerful use cases of NotebookLM in business.
That is a fantastic interjection.
A perfect pivot, actually.
Because that's exactly where this tool has evolved.
The key business use case is moving from chaos to clarity.
You can even interact with the audio in real time to dig deeper into your topics. So that's the secret. While most people are still pay for similar utilities, you got access to all of these Google tools for free. It's like having a professional team helping you with websites, video, and marketing at no costs. Now that you know about this, grab the link in the description and get started. I'll see you in next video.